Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This fighter jet pilot was flying between buildings as part of an air show in Australia. This guy almost had a mid-air collision with a Cessna. These F-35s doing a low flyby.
Get more.
This guy got blasted by a jet while sitting behind it on an aircraft carrier. This Royal Air Force plane had its nose gear collapse while landing during an air show.
Touchdown now.
Oh dear.
Well, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, there was a small problem there with the undercarriage of G222. Looks like the fire has gone out.
This guy did a low pass over a beach in a sailplane.
Crazy.
This is how an F-16 with full afterburner looks. This C5 Galaxy wheel caught on fire as the brakes got overheated. This guy flew over the Giza pyramids with his paramotor.
Look at that, how amazing.
This is how you start a Boeing 737 engine manually. And that's it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. All the sources will be linked in the description as usual. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also follow me on social media for even more content. And I will see you guys in the next video.